I can't think of better evidence that the Conservatives have been trying to sabotage Brexit from day one than David Cameron, the man who called the referendum, personally requesting Obama put Britain to the back of the fucking queue when it comes to trade deals, which Obama did. I mean, fucking hell, David, way to undermine our bargaining position. It's almost like you wanted this to fail. It's almost like the Conservatives are run by Remainers when what we need are the swashbuckling Brexiteers. And when the Brexiteers say we're not happy with how this is going, what happens? Oh, that's right, the Conservative Party turns on them. Jacob Rees-Mogg is currently leading a coalition of, I think, 36 MPs in the Conservative Party who want a hard Brexit. A Brexit on our terms. A Brexit by which we get to dictate to the EU and we make them come to the table and deal fairly. We use our leverage as the second largest contributor to the European Union on what is, frankly, a fucking collapsing superstructure of the EU. I mean, how do they think they have any negotiation position at all? What's happening in Spain? Oh, not good, is it? Look at that migrant crisis that Italy's refusing. Looking great. What's happening in Italy? Oh, what's that? They're almost in open revolt. Good to hear. Let's ask Hungary. Oh wait, the Central European Coalition. I guess we're going to check off Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia and Poland because they're all telling you to get fucked as well. It turns out the EU is the most rickety goddamn thing, and frankly it just needs one good kick and the whole thing's going to come down, doesn't it? So what does Theresa May do? She goes that, oh, excuse me EU, we really want you to treat us seriously. Please take me seriously, EU. I'm not as weak as I actually obviously am. And what do the EU say? Get fucked. That's what the EU say. Just out of hand. Nope, we're not going to accept it. It's unrealistic. Let me tell you what's unrealistic. The survival of the European Union if we tell you to get fucked. You need our money to keep your tyrannical project going, and if we pull out, you collapse. That's what happens here, EU. And Theresa May, fucking grow a spine. What you want to do is be more like this chap. This chap who was told, well, don't you dare fly England flags in front of your shop, and if you do it, you'll be in trouble. So what's he do? He puts up more fucking flags. Because fuck you, that's why. And the fucking funny thing about this, he's a fucking Sikh. He fucking loves this country, and rightly so. He should love this country, and the country loves him. We fucking love our Sikh neighbours, we fucking love our Hindu neighbours, we fucking love anyone who comes here and appreciates who we are and appreciates our fucking traditions. Theresa May, get the fuck out and let the Brexiteers take over. You are useless, you are crippling the country, and you are going to give us an absolute catastrophe if you can't find it within yourself to actually stand for something. But of course, the old guard Tories don't stand for shit.